Here's a video I couldn't find online, so I'm going to make one. Gotrax G3. Well, not really. Because how many G3s come with front brakes? Or say, by Walberg on the stem. Anyway, this is a battery replacement controller access issue. So in order to get the battery out, gotta take the back wheel off. Take the brake off. Take these panels off the side. Take this fender off the top. Take the motor controller cable, which is this, sticks out here. Take that off. Unloosen, pop the thing out. Remove this little bracket that's bolted into here. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on the bottom side. And then the battery slips right up into there. And the battery looks like that. And this is the second scooter I have that actually has this type of just hollow deck that the battery goes in. And the other one is this little Ancheer scooter that has the battery literally up in the hollow deck here. This comes off, but literally the battery's got to slide in. You got to do a bunch of controls there. Anyway, so yeah, battery just has a big two-prong socket. Goes in there, bolts in. This is your control circuit. This is your brakes, and these both go down this side. And you pick them up down there, and you put the brake light controller on that. But I think you got to take the little red stem extension and stick it in there. But yeah, it's kind of involved. It's a 36 volt motor. The controller says 390 watts, and it also says max rate 30 minutes. So it might be maximum 390 watts for 30 minutes. I'm not sure, but these are the specs. These are the specs. And it's not really a G3. I think Gotrax markets them as a G3, but the G3 on the website does not have a front disc brake, and it's got some weird integrated lock on the stem, and it's got 2 speed controls on the front. It's L1 and L2. This one doesn't have it. I think this motor's current limited to about 15 miles an hour. There's no blue speed line that you can cut and open and get up to 20, but other Gotrax with the same motors can go 20. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but I believe this is a rebranded the Urban Xr1, and their website is terrible. It's a EU spec. I think it's locked down to 15 miles an hour.